The Dodge Matador, a full-sized car manufactured by Dodge under Chrysler Corporation in 1960, was introduced alongside the Polara as part of a lineup refresh, replacing older models like Coronet and Custom Royal. It served as the base trim vehicle, distinct from the premium Polara model. All Matadors featured V8 engines, excluding the slant-six option. Styling cues from previous models were retained in the Matador's design, embracing the forward-look theme introduced in 1957 by Virgil Exner. Notable elements included stacked jet pod taillights, shortened tail fins with vertical taillights, and a compact front grille with a massive bumper. Compared to the Polara, the Matador had simpler interiors and fewer exterior chrome trims. The 1960 model year primarily featured Dodge's smaller, more affordable full-sized Dart model, overshadowing Matador sales. Around 23,600 Matadors were produced, but due to low sales and the Dart's popularity, the Matador was discontinued in 1961. Interestingly, the name Matador resurfaced in 1971 under American Motors, later owned by Chrysler, replacing the AMC Rebel in their mid-size car line. This history highlights the evolution of the Matador name from its Spanish meaning of bullfighter, showcasing its journey through the automotive industry.